Hello, good morning. The stock market doing not too great today. As you can see here on the screen, I have a Tesla. I order 100 share of Tesla. That's Tesla right there. And as you can see, it's negative 540 right now. And then the other one is AI, another stock. It's down $180. It's basically down 36%. Torch, another one is TRCH, and it's down $20. This is the worst of all of them. The one, the last one, UVXY, is down 540. Probably one of the worst stocks. Wouldn't stay away from. And I mean, I bought it at 395. I bought it for $395. And right now it's at $120. Basically, that's how much is left over. It's not going up. It's keep going. I was hoping to recover the lost when the price rise again. But it's not happening. It keep on going down. So Tesla is probably going to recover. Is even right now is at 485. It went up a little bit. I'm not worried too much about it. Remember, 100 share of Tesla is a lot. Let me get you a calculator. If I get out, I'm losing a ton of money. Let's say we're gonna get a calculator. So when I bought it, the stock price is at 625 times 100. So 625 times 100 would have been $62,500. And right now is at 614 times 100. So I lost a lot. And this is an issue. See what I'm saying? Tesla, and I bought a call options, which is what a lot of people do. My call options expire on July 2nd. 100 share of Tesla. There are many times where it went down to $1,000, and then it went back to, it recovered to the point where not only does it recover, it went up beyond the recovery. I made $700-800 from the stocks. Right now the price, the Tesla is at like 618 right now. As you can see, 618, 90, 618 something, some change. And the change keep jumping up and down. I am planning hopefully to sell it at like 634, or it have to be, for me to make some money from it, it have to be around 630, 632, 634. Because I remember I bought it at 625. It have to be a couple dollars above 625 for me to make money. And even if it goes up to 626, not 626, it have to be 630, above 630. it have to be above 630, and then but if I bought it at 6, if it's like 631, let's say 632 minus 625, it would be $7 left. $7 times 100, because I bought 100 share, I only make 700. That's not what I want to do. That's not the plan. The plan is for these things to be at least 635 minus 625, that's times 100, it would be 1,000 at least. That would be profitable. It's worth doing, but it's just crazy. And here, as you can see, it's not doing too well. And then I have another broker account with different company, and this one, Thinkorswim, and this one is not doing well too. The market in general, hopefully it will go back up by see this one right here. I have a lot of stocks on this account as well. Trade, what is this called? Thinkorswim. I have AMC. AMC is doing terrible yesterday and today, both days. It's going down to 52.41. Today I lost 840. Yesterday I lost 1,960. I mean, it's just brutal, man. And then Clover, this one is health like medical research company. Clover, CLOV. And overall, I went down 3,160. I mean 16. 3,116, which is a lot. Even just today alone, I lost 730. Down here, total lost 738. So that's the market for today. Not doing good, but I'm accounting on Tesla. I know Tesla is gonna come back up, that's for sure. And I also know that this one, TRCH, there's a lot of hype around these stocks, a lot of news, a lot of when there's a lot of news about stocks, prices going up, news around stocks, normally it will draw people in it. That means, just like anything else, people will start buying, and then it will eventually go back up. It doesn't speak to how good the company is. It just speak to whether more people that run to a news hype stocks, when the news, or people talk about things, people normally curious, they want to go in, and then some of those people will start buying. We're talking about million of people that just, because this thing right now, the volume is huge. I'm talking about how many people looking at this stock right now. TR, that's right now over 57 million people just looking at these stocks. It's going down, but there's a lot of people checking this stock out. 58 million, that's a lot of people. Out of those, even if 20% buy, it means that this thing is gonna go up. And then AMC have a very low volume, actually, 36 million people. So Stock's going down, and it looks like maybe people sell and move on from these stocks, because there was a lot of hype going on these AMC stocks, and it looks like the volume is very low. It used to be at least like 100 or more million people. Right now it's just like 36 million. I mean, 36 million is nothing for this kind of it's not gonna make a huge difference. GameStop is even worse. See that? The volume on GameStop is like 2.2 million people, which is not good. And this thing used to be at 230, 224. And they're all going down. Like, this is what I want to buy actually. In the Google, when I save up enough money, I'm gonna buy some call options for Google. You see, to buy 100 share of Google is a lot of money, because Google right now is trading at one share of Google will cost you $2,528, and if you buy 100 of those, for you to make money, you have to buy a lot of them. Otherwise, it doesn't make a difference. If it goes up $1, you make $1. You can't make money off of that. You have to buy a large quantity. If you buy 100 share, and if it goes up $3, you make three. If it goes up $1 anyway, you make $100. If it goes up $3, you make $300. So if you buy 2,000, let's say you buy 2,000 share and it goes up $3, you make 6,000. Large quantity is important. But anyway, let's say if I were to buy 100 share of Google, 100 share of Google would cost me just for into July. Remember, you're really renting it, because you don't technically own the share. You're renting the share because there is expiration date. You can buy it at the market like regular stocks, but you're gonna need like $200,000 to buy it outright, because 2538 times 100 will cost you $253,800. $253,800. That's a lot of money. So what smart people do is they just rented the share. Let's say if I go ahead and buy the share for July 2nd, call option, I'm gonna buy it somewhere around here. The price is the way this thing works is you have to pick a good delta. The delta call options is what I'm looking for. This delta determines how much money you make. You don't want to be too far away from a strike price, and at the same time you don't want to be too far away, too close to the strike price, because the price can go down. And the idea is, you see how this is the current price of the stocks, right? It's about right here. This is the price of the stocks right here. Let's say 25, whatever. And that line, if you see 2505, 2507, 2510, 2512. So the stock price may go down. When you buy and call option, you want the stock price to be above your strike price. Let's say I'm buying this one right here. I want this market price of the stock to be above my strike price. If it goes below my strike price, I'm losing money. You don't want it to be. But it's like, imagine you're in line of somebody, you're in line of a market, in line at the grocery store. You want to be you want the stock price, the current price of the stock, to be in the front of you. See what I'm saying? So let's assume I buy Delta. I have to buy like something like this. Delta have to be good enough when it moves. It moves with where you can make money. See, this delta basically means that if the price of the stocks goes up or down, you could lose $60 if it goes up. If the price of the stocks go up $1, you could make $60 or you could lose $60. So because of that, I want to be where this number is high. I want to be at a higher delta. So, but I don't want to be too far away from the stock price, because if you're too far away, you're too far away from the momentum of the. You're too far away from the momentum of the volatility, the movement of the market. So, implied volatility, that's what I mean. The volatility, you don't want to be too far away from the. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's say, just for the test purposes, I'm gonna say I'm buying. I'm also want to look at open interest. Open interest, and then how many people buying these same things, and the volume is very low on this side. It's literally nothing, because most people don't buy call option on Google because it's just too much money. People can't afford it. But there seem to be 23 the volume. Okay, let's say I buy this one, and this is just for 1 week. I'm renting 253,800 from Google, and it will cost me $3,280. You know what I'm saying? And if it goes up, right now you don't want to buy it because it's not going up, it's going down. You never want to go against the market. You want to flow with the market. And so when the market is down, it's best to maybe sell it. If you sell it like a short in the stock, you could make a return from it. Let's go to look at wow, this is disaster. AMC keep going down. It's just complete disaster, bro. Well, the only thing that's going up on here is that TRCH. This thing is going up a little bit. It's really not even a good idea for me to keep looking at it, because it's nerve-wracking to see you losing so much freaking money, right? I should probably cut my loss on this one, because this one is just, there's no way. Expiration day is tomorrow, right? This thing expired tomorrow. There's really no point sitting around and waiting for these things to come to zero. I'm gonna walk away with $188. Unfortunately, that's what I may need to do, because it doesn't look like this is going up anytime soon. Let's just look at it. UV something. It's this one right here. This is what you have to be careful with these stocks. They're terrible. It's just downtrend all over way down. And the RSI is too low too. Jesus Christ, this is crazy. Everything is looking dreadful on this one. It's just downward trajectory. All the red means it's going down. I could believe it or not, there's a lot of people buying this. I'm assuming they're doing puts or something. But it's just crazy, man. So I gotta get out of it. I just can't continue with this crap. It's just doesn't worth it. So I am gonna get out of it. 600. Wow, this is not amazing. I was hoping it could go up a little bit, but I'm already down 75%, which is the value of this damn thing is almost wiped out. I'm not worried about Tesla. I have a lot of time. I can hold it, and I have 2 weeks. And I'm pretty sure that every other day, by probably Friday, it will go up. Normally, even if it doesn't go up, what I do is I will roll over to the next week. That's something that I could do. I don't know if they allow that on here. Oh shit. Wow, they don't even have option to roll, which just sucks. This is Weibo for you. No option to roll. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get some breakfast, and then we'll get back to you guys on the coming days. Subscribe to the channel, and have a good weekend and make some money. This is not only, this is only there's a lot of good stocks on the market. There's a lot of them going up, actually. I just don't be discouraged by these stocks, because there are so many stocks that's running right now. The market in general is not too bad at all. As you can see, SP 500, Dow Jones. What's going on in China? China is not too bad. Ching, Canada. I think Canada is down. Singapore is doing okay. Coal mining, oil, transportation, airspace and defense, household, automobile and auto parts. Those are the hot stuff over there. India is doing good too. A little bit, not by much. Finland, a little bit. No, they're doing good too. I mean, better than India actually. If you're looking at the percentages, Denmark, not too bad, not too good either. Tel Aviv, 25%. Iceland is doing very well. Hong Kong is only one of them that's doing good. China Concept, Taiwan, Whoa, Taiwan is pretty down. Okay, northern bound Schengen, crypto. Man, crypto is keep on going down for the whole freaking week. Says say 20%, negative 20%, negative 15, 17. All type of, the crypto is just down. Those are the trajectories on here. Not the greatest market. All right, stay tuned.